Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to uninstall Disney Plus app on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To uninstall Disney Plus app on Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Apps. In left hand, click on Apps and Features. Now scroll down. Here you will find Disney Plus. Select Disney Plus, and here you will find an button Uninstall. Just click on Uninstall, and you will find a notification this app and related info will be uninstalled. Just click here to uninstall. Now Disney Plus app has been uninstalled from my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.